Hello there, I'm Kevin Walsh, President of Schaafsma Heating and Cooling, and today I'd like to give you a little insight as to why Schaafsma Heating and Cooling exists. You see, most contractors are in business to replace as many old furnaces and air conditioners, much like this one, as they can, and make as much money doing it as they can. And Schaafsma used to be that way. So about 10 years ago, we started thinking a little differently. We learned more about how an HVAC system can impact lives either positively or negatively. Today, the question of why Schaafsma Heating exists is answered differently. We believe everyone needs and deserves healthy indoor environment. And because of that change in thinking, we have been named National Contractor of the Year 3 times. Our goal is to educate people so our customers can breathe safe, healthy, and clean air. This is a little tougher road than just selling furnaces and air conditioners, but we have partnered with leading industry organizations to help us achieve our goal. Stay tuned for more videos about how we operate and what we can do to help you have a safe, healthy, and comfortable indoor environment.